Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. So today we will talk about Tecno Camon 30 Pro. So let's get started. First of all, we will talk about this phone body. This phone body is 189 gram with glass front, glass back or silicon polymer back display. This phone display is 6.78 inch AMOLED, 144 Hz refresh rate, and display resolution is 1080 x 2436 pixel. Aspect ratio 20.3:9. MediaTek Dimensity 8200, Ultimate 4nm. Memory 256 GB with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB with 12 GB RAM. OS Android 14, HyperOS. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.9 aperture. Ultra wide angle is 50 megapixel and depth sensor is 2 megapixel. Front camera is 50 megapixel. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 4K with 60 fps, HD with 30 fps, and front camera can capture HD with 30 fps. Battery. This phone battery is 5000 mAh battery with 70 watt charging system. Connectivity 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 5, fingerprint reader, and a good sound system. So overall, this phone is nice. So that was the video for today, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.